The man who lost everything at 30 and found his purpose at 40. At 30, he stood still while the world kept moving, the dreams he once spoke about with confidence now sounding like jokes as the job, the money, and even his identity disappeared, and failure didn't arrive loudly but quietly settled into his life. Friends stopped answering his calls, respect faded faster than his savings, family gatherings grew silent around his name, and every night the same question haunted him: how did I fall this far? Especially as comparison and social media showed everyone winning except him, until one silent night he realized no one was coming to save him, and instead of breaking him, that truth freed him, because the real enemy wasn't failure, but comfort disguised as safety and approval he chased instead of purpose. So at 31, he made a quiet decision to rebuild with no announcements or speeches, only discipline when motivation disappeared, waking up earlier than his excuses, working when no one watched, learning skills instead of scrolling dreams, moving forward even when progress was slow and invisible, facing doubt at 35 when people said it was too late, choosing silence over arguments and movement over excuses, turning loneliness into training and pain into a teacher, until at 38, results finally whispered and confidence returned quietly. And at 40, life didn't become easy, but it became clear, because he didn't find success, he found purpose, and purpose gave him peace, proving that if you're failing right now, you're not finished, you're becoming clear.